How to translate WhatsApp message to any language. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To translate the WhatsApp message to any of the other language, start off by launching the WhatsApp application in your device. From here, click on the conversation and select on the chat that you want to copy and translate into. After that, in your top right corner, you will see the three dot icon. Tap on it and tap on the copy option. Once the text has been copied successfully, now head over and launch a Google application. Search for Google Translate. Paste the copied link right here. Now to select the language to translate into, select on this particular language option. Then you can go ahead and browse through the variety of language to translate into your desirable language. For an example, let me go ahead and click on this particular one. And with a simple click, you have been able to translate your WhatsApp message to the desired language. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.